Hello crafty friends, I'm really excited. Today I get to start the opening of the Uniquely Creative Advent Calendar for 2022. I've opened up my box and it's a beautiful big box packed right to the top with goodies. So we've got a lovely thank you card sitting on top, wishing us a very wonderful Christmas and amazing New Year. And this is our first big parcel for day one, all lovely wrapped. And then I'm just having a little look through and you can see the rest of the days are in there to follow, and different sizes, different shapes and thicknesses of goodies await for the next 25 days. So it's going to be lots of fun to open up and see what we get each day. Everything's designed to work together, so that's another lovely part of this advent calendar. So I'll close up the box and I'll move it out of the way. Now for the fun part. Let's open up this lovely big prezi to see what we have hiding inside. And the sticky tape was really easy to undo, so that's a bonus. And well, I'm struggling with this last piece and I should have probably just got a pair of scissors. But I do like to keep the paper and then use it for other projects. So day one looks like we've got a really lovely paper collection this year. And it is the Juniper and Sage collection, 12 by 12 collection. And I'm going to open it up and have a look inside. So let's turn the paper around now so we can have a good look at each individual paper. So I've just flipped over the front cover sheet and you can see that not an opportunity has been missed in using that paper to go ahead and make elements that we can either fussy cut out or use the Uniquely Creative coordinating dies and have those cut out. So here is our first set of gorgeous papers, so front and back. The B side or back side has a lovely check, and you can see a gorgeous sort of washed and printed texture on that first page. Then we've got a gorgeous dainty floral and a very busy zigzaggy chevron background. I love this piece of paper. This one has got this beautiful crinkled, crunched up paper and then some lovely floral elements added to it. And the back of it's really nice too. It's got that worn out, whitewashed look on top as well. And I was just pointing out that the bottom of some of the pages have got extra sentiments included as well. And here more of that ghosted out printing of text, and then the patterns stamped into and over top of the backgrounds as well. Some really lovely images included in there. Next we have a really pretty floral and some of our foliage so that we can cut those out and add those to our either layouts or our cards. And that's a really interesting background there. It sort of looks like it's been dry brushed or scratches into the background paper. We then have this lovely geometric and a print on the bottom there, so no pieces go to waste. And these are our cut apart sheets, and they have more of our sentiments and our banners and lots of lovely tickets that we can either fussy cut out or use our guillotine, or even if you have the dies, Uniquely Creative does a whole heap of dies that match into those sheets so that it's very easy to cut out the different sentiments and designs for their collections. So now I'm just going to lay out each of the papers showing you the front and back side of the collection. And this is called Juniper and Sage. Now it won't be available in the Uniquely Creative shop until next year, so we get a lovely head start on the new goodies. And I want to thank you for joining me for day one today, and I hope you come back and join me tomorrow to see what we get in the following boxes.